Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find and source products through CJ Dropshipping. First, head over to CJ Dropshipping and log in. Once you've logged in, you'll see lots of different categories of different things that CJ Dropshipping has. Let's say, for example, I wanted to sell men's clothing. I can click on men's clothing. From here, you can see lots of different men's clothing. I can then choose from any of these products. I will choose, for example, this one. And from here, I can click on add to my products, which will then come up in the My Products section, where I can then choose to list it onto my site. Alternatively, if you're already trying to sell a product and would like to see if you can get it on CJ's Dropshipping for faster shipping, head over to Sourcing on the bottom left and click on Post Sourcing Request. From here, you can choose from your already connected store the product title and then request it for sourcing. Or if you don't have it listed yet, simply click on Individual Product and put in the product details here and click on Request for Sourcing. This then means that CJ suppliers will then respond with their products that they have, which is either the same or similar to the product that you're looking for, and they will give you a quote for how much it is to source their products. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.